I wanted to post a quick video here, a little bit of information. We were looking at Cotter bolts for the lower fulcrum pin. Okay, so this is a kingpin spindle of an old Datsun truck, and there's a fulcrum pin that goes through here, and it gets anchored in by a cotter bolt. Okay, cotter bolt actually goes in from this side, and that flat spot here is for the nut. The cotter bolt goes in here with the wedge down and anchors on a flat spot on the fulcrum pin, and that anchors it in there so it can't move, it can't twist, and that's the purpose of that. So I manufactured these years ago to duplicate the factory cotter bolts, because they were NLA, no longer available, for a long time. And I made like 100 of them, and I ran out here recently. But I was thinking about making more, because I've got like 48 sets of kingpins left. Okay, and I was going to go ahead and put these in, because you have to take those out in order to rebuild the kingpins. You don't have to, but nobody rebuilds them on the car anymore, okay? So they always get damaged, try to take them out. So in an effort of trying to find them, I placed 4 different orders, each about 20 bucks. The first 3 sets, I'm not going to bother with part numbers and stuff like that. They came in, they're definitely too small, okay? The other 3 sets were all the same. So the final set, this is from Moss Motors. 2 orders from Moss Motors there. There is part number. And there we go. And I had to order 4 to get over the $10 minimum order limit. And they're perfect. They're, with the calipers I checked, they're the right diameter and everything. They're a hair longer, which makes 0 difference whatsoever. The ramps, I measured the dimension at the low part of the ramp there. That matches. It ramps up to full diameter, so that's good. These nuts are a little loose, which really isn't a big deal there. And that's who we ordered it from, Moss Motors Limited.